My name is Alex. I'm a mental health clinician, and I believe physical health is just as important as mental health. I've had my beard for 5 years now. I actually grew out my beard because some of my friends recommended it. They had beards and they said, hey, you should grow a beard. I mean, I grew it because I actually like the look too. It gives that aesthetic. Instead of changing your shirt or changing your car, you just have a beard to wear. I shampoo it daily, and then I actually condition it every few days. And then after my showers, I dry it, and then I use a beard club brush as well as the comb after to make sure it looks nice and full. Genetics play a huge part, obviously, so it has to be in your DNA, as well as time. I mean, it took me, I guess, quite a few years to realize I could grow a beard after the influence of my friends. It's consistent, same size for 5 years now, pretty much. One reason why I like having a beard is that I don't have to wake up every morning and shave. So I just get up, shower, brush, comb, and go to work. So the good thing about having a beard is when I'm at the gym and don't have a workout partner, I always have my beard with me.